How to get rid of sugar ants naturally or with help of baits. In this video, we'll explore effective methods for getting rid of sugar ants and reclaiming your home. Sugar ants, also known as odorous house ants, are a common household pest known for their attraction to sugary substances and their distinctive odor when crushed. These tiny insects can quickly become a nuisance as they invade kitchens, pantries, and other areas in search of food. If you're dealing with a sugar ant infestation, it's essential to take prompt action to eliminate them and prevent future invasions. The first step in dealing with a sugar ant infestation is to identify their trails. Sugar ants leave pheromone trails that lead them to food sources, so look for lines of ants moving back and forth between their nest and a food source, such as a spill or crumbs on your kitchen counter. Sugar ants are attracted to food residue and crumbs, so keeping your home clean is essential for preventing infestations. Wipe down countertops, sweep floors, and clean up spills promptly to remove potential food sources for sugar ants. Store food items in airtight containers to prevent sugar ants from accessing them. Pay special attention to sugary foods like honey, syrup, and sugar, as well as pet food and crumbs that may attract ants. Vinegar is a natural deterrent for sugar ants due to its strong odor and acidic properties. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle and use it to clean countertops, floors, and other surfaces where ants are present. Repeat this process regularly to disrupt ant trails and discourage them from returning. Homemade baits can be an effective way to lure sugar ants away from your home and eliminate them. Mix equal parts sugar and borax with a few drops of water to create a thick paste. Place small amounts of the bait near ant trails or areas where ants are congregating, but keep it out of reach of children and pets. Commercial ant baits containing boric acid or other ant-killing ingredients can be an effective solution for eliminating sugar ants. Place the baits near ant trails or entry points, following the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Ants will carry the bait back to their nest, where it will eventually eradicate the entire colony. Prevent sugar ants from entering your home by sealing cracks, gaps, and other entry points around doors, windows, and pipes. Use caulk or weather stripping to seal gaps and repair any damaged screens or door sweeps. Sugar ants often enter homes by climbing trees and shrubs that come into contact with the exterior of the house. Trim back branches and vegetation to create a barrier between your home and outdoor ant colonies. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively eliminate sugar ants from your home and prevent them from returning. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.